Adding a video to a Klaviyo email can significantly boost engagement, but since most email clients don't support direct video embedding, you will need to use a workaround to make the video accessible. Here's how to do it. Upload your video to a hosting platform. First, upload your video to a platform like YouTube, Vimeo or Wistia. After uploading, copy the video URL or embed code. Create a thumbnail image. Capture a still image from the video that will serve as the thumbnail. Optionally, add the play button overlay to make it clear that it's a video. Insert a thumbnail in Klaviyo. Log into your Klaviyo account and create or edit a campaign. Use the image block to upload the thumbnail image. Link the thumbnail to the video. After adding the image, click on it and select link. Paste the video URL into the link field. Add the play button. You can also add the play button graphic on the top of the thumbnail image to make it look like an interactive video player. Test and send. Preview your email and test it to ensure the thumbnail links properly to the video. Send the email when you're ready.